Never happened?
Nah.
No, bro. You must be strong, bro. Whoa, that's
Yeah,
you got some strength.
Yeah, I got a lot of strength, man. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it happened to you? We just say that it
No,
never happened
no,
to you.
no,
So you're stronger than I am. Qui est force qu'il a, ouais. C'était solide. But nah,
but that's
nah,
good.
nah, I
That's
try to
good
keep
that
it
you could
professional,
overcome
man.
that.
Yeah, I overcome. I mean, as much as I can.
Professional on set.
I'm very professional on set. That's one thing. Very professional.
But after set, do you ever like follow up a conversation with?
That's not what I mean. Yo, au moins, il a regardé la musique dans le là, mais qui.
I was saying suggestion when. C'est on va revenir avec suggestion.
You got Bill. You know the thing.
Well, once I get that, I'm glad you did that because we nothing about sentimental and that's a very sensitive subject.
Yeah.
So I'm glad that you kind of like
let's get back into it, man.
we kind of like switch it up. So yeah. So
you know the thing is like we toujours not build DM. We toujours essayer répondre you as much as I can. You know I have my class now. I teach and stuff like that, but. It's supposed to say it's like it's a good time for people to get into business right now. Or you think it might be?
Yeah, it's always a good time, man. Pendant qu'on a parlé de tout ça nous dit que si on va qui cap toujours on t'a parlé de AI, cap toujours gain besoin dans le monde là. Ouais domaine que nous y a. C'est toujours important because we are the voices of different society like whatever ça cap fait là en pile fois bonjour. Époque, civil rights movement, all of that. Grand pile, c'est cinéma. C'est impact cinéma gagne, impact vidéo gagne. Et ça que fait, je pense, moi-même, à mon âge maintenant, moi-même, et il y en a qui pour vraiment faire vidéo, besoin, everything has to be with a purpose. You know, like, je pense que je passe étape, like, the beautiful visuals, lighting.
So like a song,
this and that.
The song we on script has to have like substance.
This song first. I've turned down a lot of jobs because I'm mal because I have a business, but I don't think I'm at this stage because if you send me a song about you've shaken something or
shaking what?
You know what I mean, like
shaking ass.
Yeah, like if the substance, it matters.
I see what you mean.
I think I have a different purpose because I'm on my way out. But come on. I've done 17, 18 years. Like my daughter is about to be 17. Moment I'm due. So
I'm say too creative men arriver dans niveau côté they're looking for something bigger.
Yeah.
They're looking for something bigger than themselves.
Like send me a song that's gonna change something. Let's work on a project together.
It's gonna get like that.
But pendant tout ça pour répondre question we need more new directors, bro. But we need more. Listen, me, you, Robbie, Telemark, like Dre, like we've done so much. Let's get some new heads. Let's get some new ideas. Let's watch some new stuff.
With my class right now, I'm toujours target mesdames yo. Okay? I'm pensé the next wave of directors should be women.
You're gonna pile belle idée, on pile fire.
Bro, I'm big.
I work with a lot of creative directors, and they're all women.
Big on that.
They're all women.
The next generation of directors should be women. Parce que nous fait tout monter créativité nous la perspective pas. Je pense que mesdames une perspective you can bring to the table. And I think n'importe femme qui gon passion pour cinématographie.
Ou pense nous dans position côté nous ka influence the clients, artists that we work with côté we do. Moi c'est right now, the one qui haïtien avec ça pays à passer, avec ça haïtien passer dans le monde entier. Ou avant c'est nous t'as besoin plus musique visuel, tout, bah, on est des projets qui, m'ba dit que c'est ça ou seulement, parce que entertainment est entertainment.